Hi friends, in this section we'll discuss how to create an invoice. First we'll see what is an invoice. Invoice is a bill and it's a commercial document issued by a seller to a buyer. An invoice is a sale transaction and indicating the products, quantities and agreed prices for products or services the seller had provided the buyer. And payment terms are usually stated on the invoice. Simply we can say in this invoice we can add prices, quantities, products. It's a bill and everything we are providing as a statement. Now we'll see how to create an invoice step by step. First just go to the Insert tab and text box. Take a draw text box. Now draw the text box. Now just you can type the company name. For example, I am giving Salvin Technologies. So you can write Salvin Technologies Private Limited also. Now just you can give the caption, company caption also. Now select this Salvin Technologies, go to the Home tab, we'll change the font and we'll increase the font size also, just like I'm taking Verdana. Otherwise you can take any font, like for example I'm taking Arial Block. Otherwise just any other fonts, and increase the font size also, look at there, and bold also. Just you can increase how much font size you want and font everything. Next this caption also just will change to Verdana and increase the font size 12 for the caption. Now select this, go to the layout and spacing after, see just I'm reducing the space to 0. Now just I wanted to remove this outline. So where it is, once after inserting this text box, we'll get extra tab called Format. Go to the Format, Shape Outline, no outline, and Shape Fill also, no fill. Look at there. Just we got created this company name, and when I'm pressing this, see it goes to the down. Just again place the cursor on the line, you can take up. Now again go to the Insert text box, draw the text box. Simply this time I'm taking Invoice in capital letters. Here also just will take any font, your wish, you can take any font and increase the font size also. Look at there, just I'm taking huge font for this and bold. Look at there. And same thing, go to the Format, Shape Fill, no fill, Shape Outline, no outline. See, just we got the company name and invoice. See, if you want, you can increase this and decrease also. How you want, you can change this one. And select these two. First select any one text box, select on the line, press Ctrl and hold it, click second text box. Look at there. Just I have selected two text boxes at a time. First select any one text box. That means you have to select on the line and go to another text box after pressing Ctrl. Next go to the Align Text. So where you want, top, middle, bottom. Otherwise there is another option called Align. In the Align, where you want to place, just I want to place Align Top. See, both are equal in the top, Align Top. So we got company name and invoice. Now just I want to insert the logo of the company. So just I want company logo. So it may be anything. Just go to the Insert. Here just I'm taking from the icons. Go to the icons. Just a second, it is loading the icons. You can choose any icon from here. Look at there. There are many icons. Just for sample I'm taking, and you can take anything here. Okay, and you can choose anyone from here also. So just go to the Accessibility, Analytics. From anywhere, wherever you want, you can select here. Insert. Okay, now we got this icon as a logo. But in case if you want to move this logo somewhere else, it is not possible. Now go to the wrap text. You can say in front of text. Now you can drag this wherever you want. Next, I want it to be in the middle of the text. So select this to first select this text box and this icon, nothing but logo. Go to the format, align. There is option called center. Locate there. That company logo just we got in the middle. So wherever you want, just you can place this company logo. Next, after that, just I want to insert the table. Just go to the table. Here I want 2 columns and 5 rows. That is called 2 by 4. So that means 2 columns and 5 rows. See. So now just we'll reduce the size of this. Okay. Now. So how much you want, you can take this. Just select this and you can place below the invoice. Okay. Simply I'm placing below the invoice this table. Locate there. So just I'm taking both are equal. So wherever you want, you can. Next, we'll type some text for this, like I'm giving date. So I'm giving like today's date, like 20/06/2020. Next, invoice number. So any number just you will give here, like as an invoice number. Next, customer number. So here also your wish. Next, order number, like 1 2 3 4. Payment date. Next, payment date or else any other things you can enter here. See what you want, just you can enter. Casually I'm giving some data. Next, after this, select this only one column and go to the design, go to the borders, remove bottom borders, top borders, left borders, and after that you can remove the inside borders also. Now locate there. Next, select this complete thing, complete table, go to the layout, just will increase the height. Just I'm taking 7. Okay, 0.7. Now just if you want, select this, you can do bold, Control plus B for bold. Next, after this, just I want to create another table. Go to the insert table, this time 1 column and like 5 or else 4 rows. See, select this and just will reduce this width, how much you want. Next, you can write some information here, like I'm taking customer information, then name, then company name, address, phone number. So here also just will do some formatting for the text. Select this, go to the layout, increase the height. After that, just you can increase the font size also if you want. Next, select the customer information, go to the design, shading. You can take any shading color here, and the font also just I'm taking white color. By default we got white color only. See. Next, that text should be in the middle, that's why select this, go to the layout, select this. So now we got this. Just if you want, increase the width. Now select this, go to the home tab, copy and just click outside, say paste. See, just we have another duplicate table. Place the table here beside this. Now change the information here. shift to. Okay, for whom just we are sending this shift to. Now after this we'll insert another table. Go to insert table, 2 columns and number of rows. See, just if you want you can insert another rows also. Now here we'll type some text like description and total. Now just we'll select this complete table. Go to this table styles. I'm selecting like this one, third one. It is a plain table one. Next after that go to the borders, say outside borders. Now select these two only headings, shading. Now we got the color, and if you want you can increase the font size also like 12. Next go to the layout, same alignment. Now select this complete table, increase the height like either 7 or 8. Next we'll insert another table like insert table, same here also, just like 2 columns and 5 rows. I'm taking some text here. Before that just we'll reduce width of the table. I'm placing here. Next we'll type some text here like subtotal. Next if it is there any VAT, next shipping cost and GST also. If there is any discount also you can give, and you can say total. Just select this, increase the font size, say bold, and same thing just here also you can reduce this. Select this, go to the design tab, say borders, bottom, top, left, next inside borders. See, just we got the normal text. Select this table and go to the layout, increase the height to 7, 0.7. Here next we'll insert another table. So directly it is not possible to insert the table, so that's why I'm taking text box, insert text box, draw the text box, just draw the box and place the cursor inside this. Go to the insert table. This time just I'm taking only 2 rows and 1 column. And if you want to say something, just you can type some instructions. This is called like special instructions. And same here also, select this, go to the shading and increase the font size. Next layout, increase the and select this line, go to the format, say no outline and no fill. Okay, now we got this. After that just we'll give something in the header and footer. Just double click on the footer, type some text. It may be like a company address, phone number, etc. Like I'm saying company address and mailing address. Just press enter. You can say cell number like any number. And email ID. Example I'm giving. Next website. After this go to the home tab, align center, bold, increase the font also a little bit. See here also, then you can take the margin from here. So after completion of all the things, just you can set how you want. Now we'll type some description below this, like I'm writing make all payment payable to business name, and I'm writing like thank you for your business, and I'm writing some information like contact some XYZ for any questions or queries on some phone number or anything. Now select this. You can say align center, bold, increase font. So this one just will increase a little bit. So now just I did some formatting for this. So after completion of all the things, just we got the invoice. It's a complete invoice in Microsoft Word document. And if you want to see this complete invoice, you can say print preview, Control P or else Control plus F to locate there. So this is the complete invoice of any business. Just we created in Microsoft Word 2019. See, this is the things. Just we are taking simply text boxes, tables, icons, and we are doing some formatting for the text also. And you can do how you want to do in this invoice also. So just this is the format. You can change the text, and you can add some other things also for this invoice. So this is the simple format of an invoice.